Carboxylic acid Part 3. In this part, we're going to discuss the preparations of carboxylic acid and chemical properties of carboxylic acid. Learning outcomes. A. Explain the preparation of carboxylic acid through oxidations of first primary alcohol, second aldehyde. The next learning outcome, we're going to explain chemical properties with reference to the reaction of carboxylic acid with sodium and magnesium, reaction between carboxylic acid with a base, and the last one, esterification. Preparation of carboxylic acid. First, oxidation of primary alcohol. Primary alcohol oxidize to give carboxylic acid. Example of oxidizing agent, potassium manganate in acidic medium and potassium dichromate in acidic medium. Example of oxidations of primary alcohol, 1-pentanol oxidize to give pentanoic acid. The group of hydroxyl group change to the group of carboxyl. When two hydroxyl group present in primary alcohol, both group can be oxidized forming dicarboxylic acid. For example, this compound have two hydroxyl group. So when the compound undergo oxidation process, it turn both of hydroxyl group turn to carboxyl group. Next, oxidation of aldehyde. Primary alcohol undergo oxidation with oxidizing agent to form aldehyde. Aldehyde undergo oxidation to form carboxylic acid. Example of oxidizing agent, potassium manganate in the medium of acid and potassium dichromate in the medium of acid. Example, when we have pentanol, the group of carbonyl undergo oxidation with oxidizing agent of potassium dichromate in the medium of acid turn to give carboxylic acid. The carbonyl group C double bond OH turn to C double bond OH, carboxyl group. Chemical properties of carboxylic acid. There are three chemical reactions in carboxylic acid. The first one is neutralization reaction. The second one, reaction of carboxylic acid with metals, sodium or magnesium. And the third one is esterification. The first reaction of carboxylic acid is neutralization reaction. Carboxylic acid are acids. It can react with a base such as sodium hydroxide to give metal carboxylate salt and water. For example, for this aliphatic carboxylic acid, react with a base to give salt and water. At the end, the final product will turn up to RC double bond O, O minus, and A plus. Example of neutralization reaction, ethanoic acid react with sodium hydroxide to give sodium acetate plus water. Carboxylic acid can also react with a sodium hydrogen carbonate to give metal carboxylate salt, carbon dioxide, and water. For example, we have propanoic acid react with sodium hydrogen carbonate to give salt, carbon dioxide, and also water. Second reaction of carboxylic acid is reaction between carboxylic acid with metal. For example, sodium and magnesium are electropositive metal. It reacts with sodium carbonate to give metal carboxylate salt and hydrogen gas release. For example, we have aliphatic carboxylic acid react with electropositive metal sodium to give salt and hydrogen gas release. Example of reaction: when we have propanoic acid react with magnesium to give salt and hydrogen gas release. Last reaction for carboxylic acid is esterification. Alcohol react with carboxylic acid under reflux, catalyzed by mineral acid to form ester. Esterification is reaction between carboxylic acid react with alcohol to form ester. General equation for esterification: carboxylic acid react with alcohol to produce ester and water. For example, ethanoic acid is one of the carboxylic acid react with methanol alcohol to give ester and water. Thank you very much.